just got to work. I now have to just go in and I just have to go to a meeting, but I have to go in, change, go to the meeting, change back, and then come back to my car. But I can't film anything while I'm there. So, this is all you're gonna get.
5 hours later.
Greetings! I have finally returned. I felt like that took forever, but the walk wasn't as bad. So I have it takes me an hour to get to work in the morning. It's a half-hour drive and a half-hour walk. But right now it's cloudy and it's only 81 as opposed to the usual 98. So I am very pleased with that walk. I started listening to the Taylor Swift Folklore album. I'm really liking it so far. My brain's just not working right now. Okay, so our gym finally, it just opened up. So I am going to go work out and I'll try to get a couple clips while I'm in there. They have a bunch of guidelines that they're following. You wear a masking, every other piece of equipment, only a certain number of people in there. You bring your own towel. The locker rooms aren't open, all that kind of stuff. So I am going to be following all of those and social distancing. Plus, social distancing for me has been the best thing ever because I want to be distant from people socially at all times. And that's why I talk to myself, to a camera, by myself. I don't like people. So let's go do this. I'm only gonna do some cardio and maybe a 10-minute ab circuit. I'm really not feeling strength training right now. I'm just really tired. So let's get to that. Well, that was a bust. The only cardio machine that they had in there was the stair climber, which was fine because that's what I wanted to do, but it wasn't working, and it would stop every minute and a half. It was driving me insane. So I did it for 8 minutes and just gave up, and then did some strength training, but I just got tired of it, so it's only been 25 minutes. But honestly, I was only gonna do 25 minutes of cardio to begin with. But I just really feel like I didn't do anything and that this was completely pointless. So love that for me. Now, what else is on my to-do list? So at this point, hopefully, I feel like it's still kind of early. Well, it's 10:25. I'm just hoping that my HelloFresh order has come in by now, because I'd love to go back and get that situated and start my HelloFresh. And I am just dripping into it because I haven't started my car yet because I knew it was going to be loud and I didn't want it in the vlog. But I need to turn the AC on before I die. Already so much better. Okay, I'll turn it down a little bit. There. So I'm going to continue listening to the Taylor Swift album and just head home at this point. It's gonna take me a half hour to get there, and just cross my fingers that the mail has come already. So much to do and so little motivation to do it. I'm outside, which you saw whenever I had the dog outside, but oh yeah, I don't think I've ever shown the dog on a vlog before. That's my roommate's dog. His name is Zuko, after the character from Avatar. So I mean, why is my brain working? Like, neurons fire, do things. But basically, I need to clean my room. I need to clean off this desk. I have so much laundry I need to put away. I need to take a shower, which is probably the first thing that I should do. But I don't want to do any of it. I just ate lunch. Which I don't think, did I vlog any of that? I vlogged me making this. But I just made some chicken, and then one of my roommates got brie last night. And so I had some brie and wheat things. Maybe this will help. The big white tub with the pink on it, that's for like energy. So hopefully that will start working soon. Whoa, would you look at that? I accomplished something. I took a shower. Working. I don't know what's going on with it, but I had to lay out all of my clothes all over my room. So like, no, my room is not usually this messy, but I lay all of my clothes that I washed all over the floor. So now I need to put them all away. So thankfully, I finally finished all of that. I wanted to work on studying for my next advancement exam. I got my results back for my last advancement exam, which was my first one I've ever taken. And basically, if you don't know, it works off of a point system, and once you like reach a certain number of points with your exam, your evaluations, like everything added up, then you can get advanced. And I was 4.5 points away. 4.5 points away. So I want to study really hard for the next one, but I want to work out again since my one this morning was not like up to par. I probably won't film it because I have like a bunch of fitness content coming up and I feel like it's just gonna get repetitive. But I want to work out again, and then I'll probably do that after and just like chill out for the next hour or so. So I can just take a break because I just really want to take a nap right now. Like, I don't know why I'm so tired. But I am. And I keep like checking my phone for updates to see if the HelloFresh has been delivered yet, because I caved and got it because I hated going grocery shopping every week. Sometimes I go twice a week and I just got tired of it. But now I'm hungry and I ate up all my food because I didn't want to have like a bunch of stuff in the fridge. So I think I have like one thing left I could make if I don't get the HelloFresh thing. But I'd really rather do that.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
And that is it for today's vlog. I wanted to be a little bit more eventful, but a lot of things just didn't end up happening today. But I can totally get them done throughout the rest of the week. It's only Wednesday, so I've got plenty of time. And maybe I'll vlog. Maybe I'll try. Maybe I'll become a daily vlogger. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. That's my quarantine glow up. Is that I'm a daily vlog. No promises. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment down below letting me know. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! P.S. I'm calling it right now. Folklore from Taylor Swift. Gonna be the album of fall 2020. It's amazing. I haven't had a favorite album from her since like Fearless. Her first two albums, bangers. Everything else, great. Folklore, superior. Okay, now bye.